Morning, everyone. My name is Mohasina. I am studying 10th class in Chanakya High School, Vadnamudi. Today, in this video, we are going to explain about the structure of the heart. Let me explain about external structure of the heart. Heart is located between lungs and protected by ribcage. The size of your heart is approximately the size of your fist. The shape of your heart is pear-shaped structure, triangle at outline, wider at the anterior end and narrower at the posterior end. The heart is covered by a pericardium which consists of outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. The two layers are filled by a pericardial fluid. This fluid protects the heart from shocks. The wall of the heart consists of three layers: outer epicardium, middle myocardium, and innermost endocardium. The blood vessels found in the walls of the heart are coronary vessels, which supplies the blood to the muscles of the heart. My name is Hemashri. Let me give brief information about blood vessels. Blood vessels are hollow tubes that circulates blood. There are three types of blood vessels. Those are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries, they carry blood away from the heart to different organs of the body. They have thick walls with narrow cavities through which blood flows. Since arteries carry blood away from the heart, blood flows under high pressure. The largest artery in the body is aorta, and the smallest one is pulmonary artery. Second one is veins. Veins that transport the blood to heart from different organs of the body. They have thinner walls as compared with arteries. They have veins with, to prevent backflow of blood. The largest vein in the body is vena cava, and the smallest one is venules, and the last one is capillaries. These are exactly small vessels that are located within the tissues of the body that transport blood to arteries to veins. I am telling about walls of the heart. Blood is pumped through the chambers of the heart with the help of four heart walls. These walls are like one-way gate. They allow blood to flow in one direction only, which is from arteries to the ventricles. There are four walls are present in the heart. They are tricuspid wall, pulmonary wall, bicuspid wall, aortic wall. Tricuspid wall, which lies below the right atrium and right ventricle. Pulmonary wall, which lies below the right atrium and right ventricle and pulmonary aorta. Bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall is also called as mitral wall, which lies below the left atrium and left ventricle. Aortic wall, which lies below the left ventricle and aorta. Pulmonary wall and aortic wall are semilunar wall because of the crescent shape. Hi friends, my name is Prasanna. I'm giving brief information about internal structure of heart. How many layers are covering the heart? There are two thin transparent layers are covering the heart. Internally, the heart is divided into four chambers. The upper two chambers are called atria or auricles. They have relatively their walls and receive blood from veins. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. They pump blood out of the heart into the arteries and hence they have relatively their thicker walls. The inner space of the left atrium and left ventricle are smaller as compared to the right atrium and right ventricle. What are the connecting right ventricle? The right atrium and right ventricle are connected to each other by right atrioventricular septum. And the left atrium and left ventricle are connected to each other by left atrioventricular septum. The right side of the heart is superior vena cava. The superior vena cava, it is also called as precaval vein. It collects blood from anterior parts of the body. Anterior parts means head and neck. The vein which is coming from posterior part of the heart is inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava, it also called as postcaval veins. It collects blood from posterior part of the heart. Posterior parts means hands and legs. Thank you.